Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Emily and Golden Globe nominated actress Kerry Washington will be honored with an Artistic Achievement Award at Jamaica's 57th Independence Black Tie Gala. The event is slated for the Hilton Westchester Hotel in New York on August 10. Washington is best known for her portrayal of Olivia Pope on the ABC TV drama Scandal that has earned her several Emmy, Screen Actors Guild, and Golden Globe nominations, and for her portrayal of lawyer Anita Hill in the 2016 HBO film Confirmation, of which she is the executive producer under her banner production company Simpson Street. Kerry's career erupted in 2004 when she appeared as Della Robinson, the wife of musician Ray Charles, in the biopic Ray. She won Outstanding Actress in a Motion Picture for Ray at the NAACP Image Awards in 2005. In 2018, Washington starred in Broadway in American Son, which has since been shot as a movie. The Black Tie Gala, Jamaica's marquee independence celebration in New York, will be attended by over 1,000 celebrants under the theme Celebrating Brand Jamaica. The event is being held under the distinguished patronage of the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, who will bring greetings on behalf of Jamaica. MP Lisa Hanna will also be in attendance at the event, acting as brand ambassador. The keynote address will be delivered by United States Federal Judge, the Honorable Norman Hemming. Part proceeds from the gala will be donated to Food for the Poor Jamaica, the largest charity organization in the country, and Food for the Poor Inc., located in Florida, the largest international relief and development organization in the United States. Now, dancehall artist Governor recently released a new track dubbed Cups Up. The track is the fifth song that is featured on his upcoming anthology, Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. Governor has debuted the lead single, Champ, followed by The Light featuring reggae singer Dre Island, Unanswered with Taurus Riley, and Loyalty. While no release date has been mentioned for the album, Governor disclosed that Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same will contain contributions from several noted producers like Chimney Records, Dream Team, Emudo Records, and Quantanium Records, among others, with special cameos from his peers. The album will also feature different sounds as the artist shows his versatility. Governor recently teamed up with reggae sensation Coffee on the remix of her track Rapture. Within a week of it being released, the track has picked up over 1.5 million views on YouTube. Now, on the international scene, American rapper Tyga drops his new album titled Legendary. The album consists of 14 tracks and features a star-studded guest lineup, which includes Lil Wayne, Chris Brown, Offset, J Balvin, and Sway Lee, among others. Lil Wayne is featured on 2 singles from the album, Light Skin and On Me, while Chris Brown lends his vocals to February Love and the smash hit Out with J Balvin. Tyga recently teamed up with dancehall artist Shenseea on the track dubbed Blessed Blessed. The video has received over 7.9 million views on YouTube. However, the track was not a part of this album. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.